Man, I'm so bored. I really don't know what to do.
Mario, for the last time, you have your Nintendo Switch with you. You have like 20 games, so you can say you don't have anything to play with.
I know, but lately, I've been starting to get bored of the games in it. Like, I need something fresh and new, something that convinces me that my Switch is still worth it. Understand what I'm trying to say, Luigi?
Yeah, totally get what you were trying to say. You just want another game you only play for a week and then leave it like the rest. I totally know you, Mario, so I know that's going to happen.
Luigi, can I ask you a question?
Sure, what is it?
Why are you always the boring one here?
I'm not boring. I'm just trying to stop you childish behavior.
Yeah, sure, bro. Whatever you say. Anyway, I'm going to the game store to see if I buy something. See you later.
Wait, Mario! Dan? Oh, Mario, you never listened to me.
Even though I told Luigi I would buy something from the store, I don't think I will. I don't have any game in mind, and besides, what Luigi said is kinda true. I could buy something fresh and new, but I want to play it for long. Those are just tobacco and apologize to him.
Hey, young man in the red cap, stop right there.
Wait, who said that?
Over here. Nice to meet you. My name is Top Cat.
Oh, hey there. Nice to meet you as well. What do you need?
Heard you're having trouble trying to pick a game for your console. May I know which one is it?
Sure, it's a Nintendo Switch. Why do you ask?
It just so happens that I have the right game for you. Do you want to see it?
Sure thing. I'd love to try out a new game.
It makes me so happy to hear that. My team and I have been working on this game for so long, and I'm glad someone is finally interested. We recently received approval from Nintendo to start distributing it. That's why it's not in stores yet. You can be our first customer.
That's interesting. I'm glad to hear that. But what's the game about?
As you can see, it has my name. You can play as me or any of my friends to complete different missions, and you have to avoid getting caught by Officer Dibble. Also, while you're playing, interacting with tons of characters will get you power-ups to avoid the officer. And if that isn't enough, you can share your achievements with the rest of the world, as the game also has an option to connect to your social media. So what do you think?
Oh my, I think I love it already. I don't think I'll get tired of it anytime soon. So tell me, how much for the game?
Because you're our first customer, it's a nothing more and nothing less than $50.
$50? No, that's a reasonable price. I want it.
That's splendid. Here you go. Take good care of it. It was a pleasure doing business with you, my friend.
Thank you again. No time to go home and show Luigi what I just got.
Man, when will Mario be back? I think I shouldn't have been so rude to him.
Luigi, man, you don't know how happy I am right now.
Good, finally, you were back. So, did you actually find a game you will enjoy?
Yes, and I'm so excited. Just look at the cover of the game. I've also got a good synopsis of it.
Hey, that cover looks kinda suspicious. But whatever, I'm not here to judge you. Go and have fun with your new game.
Luigi, if you are still mad at me, please forgive me. I should not have called you boring. I lost my patience, and I'm truly sorry.
No, Mario, you forgive me. I acknowledge my attitude is not always the best, and I'm sorry for almost ruining your fun.
Those we but regret saying those things to each other. It's okay, Luigi. I forgive you.
Thank you, Mario. I also forgive you. Now, don't waste time. Go and have fun with your new game and tell me how is it. I'm glad it's finally over. I'm gonna try to find Peach to talk to her about this. Oh, what's going on? Mario? What's the matter? Why did you swim?
Just to look at this.
Darn it, a defective cartridge. Don't worry, Mario. We can go back to the store and get it changed.
There might be a little problem with that. The thing is, I didn't buy this in the store.
Then where did you buy it?
I got it from someone who offered it to me on the street.
You got to be kidding me, Mario. I knew you were dumb, but I didn't know you were the king of stupidity.
Who was talking? The person who said wouldn't judge me. I'd rather be that than a boring parrot cake.
At least those letting people know that buying something from a stranger is a bad idea. We actually use our brains, unlike you.
Blah 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 is all a heart. That's probably the reason you have no friends. You literally talk like a parrot. You see,
Probably the
being a
weakest
parrot is
insult I've
literally
ever
your
heard.
job.
Why don't you
Because
just
I simply
because of
defend
your
myself
actions
from
and
someone
act
who
like a
thinks his
mature
about
adult
is better
instead
than
of
the
trying to be
others.
like a
Do
baby.
you really
Never
think I'm a
change you.
crybaby?
You always
You
the same
literally
anyway.
have
As
an
every
between you
day,
always
that's
get no
probably
big.